Hello guys, welcome to this edition of the Doc Training web series. In this video I'm going to be explaining how to use another one of the widgets you'll find on the Doc landing page, also known as the home page, and that's going to be the My Favorites section. Now this is a real simple widget to use and understand and use effectively, and I'm going to show you how to do so. So with that being said, I have my mouse over here on the right side of your screen near the center, and I'm hovering over the My Favorites area. Currently I've favorited 3 documents, one Word document and 2 Excels. Now when we favorite a document, that's synonymous with following a document, and that's going to be the terminology we're going to use when we want to add something to our favorites. We're going to follow that document, and let me show you what I mean by that. So before we do anything with the My Favorites section itself, I'm going to scroll down to the quick downloads at the bottom right, and I'm going to go ahead and open this document library by clicking View More. Now this is just one example of a document library. You can do this with any document you find. It doesn't have to be for quick downloads. This is just used for an example. So right here we have a list of documents. As expected, it's a document library. And now I'm going to choose one of these to follow, and you'll find that we have a couple ways to do this. So I want to follow this sales report. Okay, so I've checked this guy here with the checkbox. Now the first thing you can do is come up to the left, the top left I should say, expand the Files ribbon and click Follow. Or if we dismiss the ribbon and we open the context menu, expand again and go down to the advanced menu, we also have the option to follow here. And that's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and click on Follow. And if you see right up here in the top right, we get a little notification on under our name that shows us that we are now following that document. That's going to be reflected in our My Favorites. So we're going to reload the home page, and voila, there's our sales report right at the top of our favorites list, as it's the most recent one that we've followed. So that is how you add something to your My Favorites list. If you have more than 4 here, there's not a limit. It's just the most recent 4 will show up here. You can always click View More, and that'll show you the entire list. So here's the entire My Favorite Documents list. I'm going to go ahead and reload the home page once more. Now if you no longer like to have a document favorited or followed, you just have the simple option to click the little down thumb, the dislike button per se, over here on the right. So I'm done with the sales report. We've moved on. We don't need this any longer. Done working with it. So I'm just going to click this little icon here, little down thumb, and you see that that's an instantaneous operation. It just pulled that document right out from the My Favorites list. And if we click View More, not there any longer. And that's really it. You see, it's quite simple to understand. I hope you have a good time using it. If you have any further questions, we're here for you with the rest of our web training series videos. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.